In this video, I am going to show you how to isolate vocals in DaVinci Resolve. So here I am in the Fairlight audio section of DaVinci Resolve with one of my well-known jingles. Let's give it a play. It's pretty good. Let's speed through to the vocals at around the 24-second mark. Here it is.
Audio production and more. This is Mike Russell on musicradiocreative.com.
Now, I know in the past you might have used something like Isotope RX to differentiate, or some of the clever AI stuff that exists online. Even Adobe Audition has the basic ability to look at central channel and eliminating other things that aren't needed to keep the vocals in place. So how does this work? Well, first of all, here's the news. You're going to need to upgrade if you're on DaVinci Resolve and go ahead, pay the cash, one-off, and get DaVinci Resolve Studio, because that has a few extra bells and whistles. And one that caught my attention is, this is called Voice ISO. Well, actually, it's cut off because it's actually Voice Isolate. Okay, generally it's designed for voice isolate in spoken word situations, and I'm going to show that in another video soon, how to isolate the voice and get rid of background noise. But right now I'm particularly interested for you in isolating vocals, particularly in sung music here. So let's see how well it works. Rewinding to the start. I quite like the rewind sounds when I rewind back by scrubbing. And playing. Yeah, there's definitely music there. And then let's switch on Vocal Isolate, or Voice Isolate as it's known. There you go. You can see it's enabled now. And, oh wow, that's interesting. So I'm playing now. There is music there. No, nothing is getting through. So will it correctly identify these sung vocals and preserve them? That's what I'm wondering. Let's wait until we get to that point. Still barely anything registering on the levels meters. This is working well for music.
Audio production and more.
Okay, it's good. It's not great.
This is Mike Russell on musicradiocreative.com.
But if at a quick flash you wanted a vocal a cappella, I tell you what, that does an all right job. So yeah, it's not great, but it works. It's good. It's probably not the purpose that that effect was designed for, but it can isolate vocals from sung music, which is fantastic. Let's dive in here. If we click here, we'll get the control, and you see it's very simple. There's an amount, it's up at maximum, so 0 to 100%, very easy. It's got some presets as well. Actually, it's got no presets saved in there. I guess you can save your own. So if I were to play this back now and play around with the amount, let's see what we can get. Oh, I see, okay. So as I start fading this amount down, the music fades up. So let's just go at 75% here and see what that does. See if that...
Audio production and more. This is Mike Russell on musicradiocreative.com.
That's cool. So the more I fade that up, the more it fades the music out. But of course, the more the vocal degrades as well itself in quality. I guess because it's fighting to move out frequencies that exist in the voice, and that doesn't sound so good. So at a pinch in DaVinci Resolve Studio, that's the paid-for version, you can use Voice Isolate, and you can actually use the official tool there, Voice Isolation, switch it on and off, and put it up to max, and you will get a result, you will get an a cappella, but I do think other tools can do it well, such as RX from Isotope. Adobe Audition actually does a pretty good job and gives you a few more features if you specifically want to isolate vocals from music. And you might find neural networks such as online services. I've spoken about lalal.ai before, can do a really good job if that's specifically what you're looking for. But keep watching my channel, and there's another video actually you should really check out about noise reduction and using this voice isolation tool to really get rid of background noise in spoken word audio. In the meantime, if you have any questions or comments, do leave them down below.